Power supply and LED driver board removal. First, to remove the power supply, there are 4 T8 screws on each corner. Remove these screws. Once the power supply is loose, you then need to remove the top cable, and also the bottom cable will have to be removed. And now to remove the LED driver board. On this, there are also 4 T8 screws that have to be removed. Once the screws are removed, you can then flip over the LED driver board and remove the cable from the top. Behind the LED driver board, you can locate the Bluetooth board. And also to mention the airport card that is located above where the hard drive used to be. You can locate the 2 antennas, as well as the flex cable that runs down from the airport card to the logic board.